There's this thing no one really talks about. You feel it when you're alone, bored, or stressed. That pull toward something that feels good, but leaves you feeling worse. Yeah, I'm talking about lust. Lust is not evil. It's not some monster hiding under your bed. It's just your brain chasing quick dopamine, that fast reward. The problem? It doesn't stop. It becomes a loop. And the more you give in, the harder it is to focus, think clearly, or even enjoy normal things. Lust isn't just about what you watch or think. It affects your energy, your confidence, even your drive. Ever noticed how drained you feel after? Like your motivation just dips? That's not in your head. It's real. Your brain's reward system gets messed up. Suddenly, real life feels dull. So, what actually helps? First, identify your triggers. Be honest with yourself. Is it boredom? Scrolling at night? Certain apps or content? Cut one of them today, not forever. Just try it for a week. Second, replace the habit. Not by sitting still and resisting, but by doing something small. Go for a walk, play music, stretch, text a friend. It sounds basic, but it breaks the loop. Last, pause before you act. Even 10 seconds of awareness before giving in can change everything. You're not trying to be perfect. You're just creating space between impulse and action. Listen, me, bro. This isn't something you should be guilty about. It's just about control, quiet confidence. So don't take the heavy guilt on yourself whenever you relapse. Just one better choice today. That's enough. You're not broken. You're learning, and you've got time to figure it out.